This AI image was created on my Mac while I was completely offline. No cloud uploads. No data collection. No one else sees your images. That means you can safely work with personal photos and sensitive content. And the best thing is that everything is free and you can create unlimited images in high quality. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Diffusion Bee with Flux locally on Mac. So let's start with the tutorial. In the first step, we need to install a tool that makes using models like Flux super easy on Mac. That tool is called Diffusion Bee. It's one of the most beginner-friendly apps out there, especially for folks using macOS. To get it, open your browser and go to the official Diffusion Bee's GitHub repository. I'll also drop this link for you in the video description so you don't have to hunt it down. For the question why the download should not be done via the official Diffusion Bee's website? Because sometimes the website download button doesn't have the latest version. Once you're on the GitHub page, look for the releases section. You'll see something like 23 releases. Click that and it'll expand a list of available versions. Look for the one that says version 2.5.3. This version has support for Flux 1M8 generation models. Make sure it says ARM64 and supports macOS 13 Plus, especially if you're on an Apple Silicon Mac like I am. Now click on the file that ends in DMG. Usually named something like DiffusionBee64.dmg. That will start your download. Once the download's done, just double-click the file and drag the app into your Applications folder. That's it. Since I already have it installed, I won't do it again here. But it's a super standard Mac install process. You'll be up and running in a minute or two. Now, go ahead and open up Diffusion Bee. When you launch it, you'll see a clean interface with different AI tools. But today, we're focusing on the Flux AI model. So, let's scroll down and find it. When you click on the Flux model for the first time, Diffusion Bee will ask you to download it. Just click the download button, and it'll begin pulling in the model files. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So, grab a coffee or take a breath. Once the download finishes, you'll now be able to generate images using Flux directly from your Mac without needing any command line coding or complex installs. Now let me show you some sample images I've generated using Flux. As you can see, the image quality is really impressive, especially how it renders fine text details. Some models struggle with that, but Flux actually does a decent job. Of course, results may vary based on your prompt. About the prompts. Let me share a pro resource that helps me create better images. Go to a site called PromptHero.com. I'll link it below, too. Once you're there, look for the tab that says Flux. This page is filled with real prompts that others have used to create beautiful artwork using Flux. Let's say you find an image you love. Just copy the prompt, head back into Diffusion Bee, and paste it into the input box. Then hit Generate. That's it. For me, generating an image at a resolution of 1024 by 1216 usually takes around 15 to 30 seconds with my M4 Pro chip. So, it's pretty quick. Want to generate multiple images at once? You totally can. Here's how. Choose a second prompt from PromptHero. Copy it. Go back to Diffusion Bee. Paste it below your current one, and click on Add to Queue. The software will process them one by one. That is super helpful if you're batch creating content. Let me show you another example. While that runs, I'll just swap out the prompt, paste a new one, and queue it up. Easy. While the image generates, let me show you a few more settings. At the top of the app, you can choose your model version. I usually stick with the Flux 1 Schnell version, but feel free to test out Dev if you're feeling experimental. You can also adjust the resolution, number of images to generate, and even apply styles to match different aesthetics. Here are the images I have generated. They look very nice and good quality, so that's it. You now know exactly how to install, run, and create with Flux AI on your Mac. No more guesswork. If this tutorial helped you out, Smash that like and subscribe button so more people can find it. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know what you're building with Flux or if you run into any issues. If you want a tutorial on how to turn your generated images into your own AI avatar, or how to produce unlimited long videos completely for free, the 2 videos showing up on screen right now are perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.